Next one on top. Okay, now in this one I actually have a 6-inch board. I'm going to have to turn this around. Okay, can't have it there. It's got to be like in this angle, like up here. Actually a little more like, maybe like that. Because I don't want to see the back of this, you know, too much. Because that'd be a lot to cover. Sorry, I have to turn it. Alright, let's try that. PVC pipe, double-sided tape. Quite an angle. I'm not sure if I'm comfortable with that. Let me get this on through the cave. I think I'm going to move it. I don't like that being that angled. That's just craziness. Crazy. Made this angle, you'd have to refrigerate this right away and not even leave it out that long. That's even scary for me. Okay, so now what I can do is just kind of play with it and adjust it a little bit so that you can see all of it. Like I said, I want to get this more up. There we go. Even that just takes the weight off of. Okay, I think I can live with that. All right, let me turn it around. Okay, and then what we're going to do is clean up this mess a little bit and then start covering some of this up. Some of this mess I made up. And keep an eye on that top tier while we're doing it. All right, so we'll be back.